Good day, dear students. Welcome to the class. Today we will learn the continuation part of the chapter Introduction to Commercial Organizations. Let's start. In the last class, we have learned about human activities. What are the two types of human activities? Distinction between economic activity and non-economic activity. Meaning and nature of business. In today's class, we will learn about branches of business, meaning and type of industry, meaning and role of commerce, branches of commerce. Branches of business. So, in the last class we have learned about what is business. What is business? Business is an economic activity. That means it is an activity wherein the main purpose, the main motive is to earn money. Isn't it? Buying and selling of goods and services to earn some money. So, here business is been divided into two, that is industry and commerce. This chart is there in your textbook. I will tell the page number also. It will come in page number 5. Yes. Open page number 5 and check out the chart. Industry and commerce. So here the industry is being divided into extractive industries, genetic industries, manufacturing industries and construction industries. And the commerce is further divided into trade, auxiliaries to business. So you leave this part now. First we will learn about industry. Okay? Industry and different types of industries in detail. So here page number 6, here there is a chart showing industry and its types. Industry has been divided into primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. So before coming to the divisions of industries, we will learn what do you mean by industry. So industry includes all those business activities which involve extracting, multiplying, growing, processing, assembling and constructing useful products. So what do you mean by industry? Industry includes all the activities which involves in the production of a product. The goods may be consumer goods or producer goods. Industry involves the use of men, machines, materials and money for production of goods. So, in a broad sense, in another way, the term industry is also used to refer a group of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, sugar industry refers to all manufacturing units producing sugar. The business enterprise which undertake industrial activities are known as industrial enterprises. People who own and control industries are called industrialists. So, those who are controlling and maintaining an industry is known as industrialists. Okay. So, there are different types of industries. For example, sugar industry, then iron and steel industry. The place where the product is being manufactured is known as that industry. The industry where sugar is manufactured is known as sugar industry. Iron and steel is manufactured is known as iron and steel industry. Like that. Okay. So what do you mean by industry? Industry is a place where in which all the activities are undertaken to produce the particular product. That includes extracting, multiplying, growing, processing, assembling and constructing. Assembling means gathering together and constructing useful products. Okay, so that is known as industry. So here the division is being shown as primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. It is given in your textbook page number 6. Go through that. Then one by one we will learn in details. First we will learn about primary industries. Primary means first. Primary industries. There are two types of primary industries. First one is extractive industry and the second one is genetic industry. We will learn one by one in detail. Now first we will learn about primary industries. I have already told you that there are two types of primary industries, that is extractive industries and genetic industries. So first one is extractive industries. Extractive industries are those industries which are concerned with the discovery and extraction of natural resources like minerals from mines, timber from forests, fish from rivers and seas. It is nothing but extraction means taking it out, taking something from the natural resources, extracting the products from the natural resources. For example, minerals from mines. Mines, it is not there in the earth's crust. We have to mine it for extracting under the earth, deep under the earth crust. But it is available from natural resource. Second one is timber from forest. Some from the vast thick forest. Timber means wood. Wood is being cut from the forest. Okay, so wood is directly not available. We have to cut it, extract it from the forest. Then fish from rivers and seas. From the vast rivers, fish is being extracted. Fish will be under the water. It is being taken out from the rivers. So these industries are being worked through the products which is being extracted from the natural resources like forest, rivers, water, that is water, then minerals from mines. So one thing is, the products of these industries are either used directly, consumed. These are used directly by the human beings. Either these are used directly from the human beings, or these are being used as raw materials to produce some other products. For example, this iron ore which is after mining, we will get iron ore from deep under the earth crust. This iron ore is used as a raw material for the iron and steel industry. Then timber, wood is being used for the construction or the making of furnitures. So many things we will make with wood, isn't it? So that is also we can use as a consume directly, or we can use as a raw material to produce some other products. Then fish also. Fish is being used, consumed directly, or is being used as a other raw material to produce some other product. Then both manual and mechanical techniques are used in extractive industries. In extractive industries, manual and mechanical, both human beings, people, labor, and mechanical techniques means machines, both are being used in extractive industries. Understood, children? So this is about extractive industries, extracted from natural resources. Okay, taken out from natural resources. Second one is genetic industry. So look here, these are the examples of extractive industries. This one mining, this is timber. Okay, now comes genetic industries. Genetic industries are those industries which are concerned with reproducing and multiplying plants and animals with the purpose of earning profit for their sale. Yes. So what do you mean by genetic industry? These are concerned with reproduction of plants and animals. What is the purpose? With the purpose of earning profit. Reproducing plants and animals. Look here, poultry farm. See, plants. These are vegetables. Okay, and this is cattle field. Then these are genetic industries. Why these have been produced? These industries have been there. These have been there for earning some profit. These are those industries which concern with the reproduction of plants and animals. Then rearing cattle, breeding of animals and growing plants are the activities involved in these industries. Some common examples of genetic industries are agriculture or farming, crops, nurseries which multiply and sell plants, dairy farming, poultry farming, animal husbandry, that is horse breeding, grazing of sheep for wool and mutton. Then pisciculture or growing fish in ponds and rivers. Growing fish in ponds and rivers is known as pisciculture. Then that is known as genetic industries. Extractive industries and genetic industries. What are these industries? These are primary industries. Next is secondary industries. So primary industries we have learned. What are the two types of primary industries? Extractive industries and genetic industries. So now comes secondary industries. There are two types of secondary industries. First is manufacturing industries and construction industries. So first we will learn what do you mean by secondary industries. These are those industries wherein which raw material they will use. The final product of the primary industries is being used as a raw material in the secondary industries. The industries which are concerned with the transformation of materials provided by primary industries are known as secondary industries. For example, the mining of coal and iron ore is primary industry, but manufacturing of steel is secondary industry. This iron ore is used and coal is used for the manufacturing of steel. The iron ore is used as a raw material. So secondary industries are of two types: manufacturing industries and construction industries. What do you mean by manufacturing industries? Manufacturing industries are those industries which are concerned with the conversion of raw material and semi-finished products into finished products. The output of primary industries generally becomes the raw material for manufacturing industries. Here, manufacturing industries means the conversion of raw material into finished products. That is the duty of the manufacturing industries. Here, which raw material they will use? The primary industries final product is used as a raw material for the construction of the final product in manufacturing industries. Here look at this picture, this table, page number 7. Iron ore from mines is used as a raw material for steel industry. Timber from forest is used as a raw material for furniture industry. Cotton from farms, textile industry, sugar cane, sugar industry, milk from dairies, ghee industry. So manufacturing industries, which raw material is being used? The raw material products of primary industries is being used as a raw material for manufacturing industries. Next, there are four types of manufacturing industries: analytical, synthetical, processing and assembly. Next one is construction industries. Construction industries are those industries which are engaged in the construction of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, flyovers, etc. These industries use the products of manufacturing industries, that is cement, iron, bricks, and extractive industries, example sand and wood. The products of construction industries are immovable as they are erected, built or fabricated at a fixed place. So what is the purpose of construction industries? Construction industries are those industries which will construct dams, roads, bridges. We can see so many roads, bridges and all in our neighborhood, isn't it? Who will construct that? These are constructed by construction industries. What all things they will use? They will use the products of manufacturing industries and extractive industries. For example, for road construction, what all they will use? Cement they have to use, iron they have to use, bricks they have to use. These are from manufacturing industries. And sand and wood is used to mix. Sand is used to mix the products. For example, to prepare cement, sand also is being added. So these sand and wood are the extractive industries, are from extractive industries. So both the products of extractive industries means primary industries. Manufacturing industries is secondary industries. Both are being used for the construction of roads, bridges, dams, flyovers, etc. So this is the main purpose of construction industries. So secondary industries are being divided into two: manufacturing industries and construction industries. See, look here, shipbuilding industry. It is the example of construction industry. Then Manufacturing industry. See,